Welcome back, children. Now whenever you go to market, you have to pay the amount which you are buying, isn't it? For that you should know how to count how much you have to give to shopkeeper. If you have give extra money, how much you will get back from the shopkeeper. That is the shopping activities. This you have to learn from now onwards, so that you can easily go for shopping with your parents and you can easily pay the bill. Okay, so previously also we have done such type of activities. Now also we will revise same way. This is shopping activity. This helps you to develop your counting skill. Number concept also it helps to develop. So let's start, so that you can also start doing all this shopping activity easily. What is given? Shopping activity. Now you can see here price list. That means whenever you go to a shop, you can see many items in the shop, and in some of the shops the tag is written, the price tag that is written over there. So I have also written some of the items in a shop. The price list is shown. Suppose you have gone to that shop, then how will you do the shopping? See, ball is given ball. What is the cost? Rupees 35. Ice cream cone. What is the cost? Rupees 25. Badminton. What is the cost? 110. Kite. What is the cost? Rupees 5. Pencil. What is the cost? Rupees 2. Flowers. What is the cost? 225. Now, what we have to do? We have to read this question what is given, because here it is given. Look at the below given price list and answer as directed. What is directed? Number 1. Suppose Rohit will buy 2 balls and 2 kites. Now suppose Rohit has gone to market alone and he will buy 2 balls and 2 kites. Here, what is the cost of the ball? 35 rupees each. He will buy 2 balls. That means you can use here either repeated addition or multiplication. Whatever is suitable for you, you will do that. So 35 will do rupee plus 35 rupee. Why 2 times 35? Because he will buy 2 balls and 1 ball costs 2 balls. So 1 ball costs 35 rupees. He will buy 2 balls. So 35 rupees 1 ball, and second ball also 35 rupees. And 2 kites. What is the cost of 1 kite? 5 rupees. You will buy 2 kites. So 5 rupees plus 5 rupees. Now we will add 35 plus 35. How to count mentally? Here we don't have 35 figures. So 30 plus 30, 60. Easily you can count. 5 plus 5, 10. That means 60 plus 10 is equal to 70. 70 plus 5, 75. 75 plus 5, 85. So if Rohit will buy 2 balls and 2 kites, he has to give 75 plus 5, 80 rupees. So he will pay rupee 80. Isn't it? 35 plus 35, 70. 70 plus 5, 75. 75 plus 5, 80. Okay? Now second question of this is A number we have done. Now B number. How much Rohit will get back? Rohit will get back if he will give rupee 100. Suppose Rohit is having extra money 100 rupees. Now he has purchased 2 balls and 2 kites, and he has given 100 rupees to the shopkeeper. Now here you have to think how much money the shopkeeper will return to Rohit. How to find out? He has to give 80 rupees to the shopkeeper, but he has given 100 rupees. How to find out? Here in rough work we will do 100 rupees he has given, 80 rupees he has to give to check. Shopkeeper. So 100 minus 80 is equal to 90. 100. 20 rupees you will get back. Isn't it? Because 80 plus 20 is equal to 100. 100. So you will get back rupee 20. Isn't it? Rupee 20 you will get back. Fine. So this way we have to calculate. Now take the second number question. How much Angel has to pay if she buys all items shown in the price list? In the price list, how many items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items are there. Suppose Angel is a girl, she wants to purchase all the items, one each. Then how much she has to pay? Let's count. Ball. What is the cost of the ball? 35. Cost of the ball? 35. Okay? We will write it as ball. Afterwards we will rub this. 35. Ice cream cone 25. Ice cream 25. Okay? Then kite. Kite. What is the cost? 5 rupees. Then racket. Racket. What is the cost? 110. 110. Pencil. What is the cost? 2 rupees. And last one is flower pot. What is the cost? 225 rupees. Flower pot 225. Isn't it? Roughly we have written. Ball 35 rupees. Ice cream cone 25 rupees. Kite 5 rupees. Racket 110 rupees. Pencil 2 rupees. And flower pot 225 rupees. We have to add all the items cost. Now orally we can. How to do? Rough work we will do here like this way. 30 plus 20, 50, 5, 55, 5, 60 plus 5, 65. Here we will write 65. 65 plus 100, 165 plus 10, 175. 175 plus 2, 176, 177 plus 25. We will do here somewhere 175 and 225. So 5 plus 5, 10. 1 carry over. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. Again 1 carry over. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 400 rupees. So 5 plus 5, 10. 1 carry over, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again 0, 1 carry over, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 400 rupees she has to give. Okay. And directly if you want to plus rupee 400 she has to give. Okay. So that she can purchase all the items what is shown in the price list. Clear? Now, this addition if you want to check, you can do. See, 30 plus 20, 50, 50 plus 5, 55, 55 plus 5, 60, 60 plus 5, 65, 65 plus 100, 65 plus 100, 165 plus 10, 175, 176, 77, 177. Sorry, here we have done wrong. 177 will come. 177 will come here. Yes. And plus 225. 225. We have done written here wrong. 7 plus 5, 12. Carry over. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry over. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 402. Angel has to give, not 400, but 402 she has to give because we have counted here 177, but written there 175. That's why the answer was coming 2 rupee less. Okay. So this way, children, we have to do the shopping activity. For that you have to, your counting skill should be proper. For that you have to need to do practice. For that you have to watch the video also. So please, it is your turn. Please watch the video and try to do practice of this shopping activity. Okay children.